This video will focus on Case Manager, Exabeam Security ticketing system that gives analysts a single system of record to track the status of their incidents. Exabeam Case Manager is part of the modular Exabeam Security Management Platform, which enables security management across data collection, threat detection, investigation, and incident response. Most analysts start their investigation efforts from Exabeam Case Manager's incident queue cards. The left card displays open cases assigned to an analyst, and the right card shows all incidents in their queue. Using these cards, analysts are able to easily determine what they should be working on and the status of their incidents. Case Manager serves as a central system of record for all incidents. Cases are created automatically whenever a user or machine's risk score crosses a predefined threshold. Analysts can also create a case manually. On the Incidents page, analysts are able to view all incidents and filter cases by assignee, date, incident type, status, and priority of incidents. Let's filter by the username Weber and look at the incident details. By clicking into any incident, analysts are able to see all of the information related to that incident. This includes things like evidence collected, risk reasons, status, artifacts, and more. These fields and layouts are completely customizable, allowing analysts to ensure they have the most relevant details right at their fingertips. Analysts can easily access a timeline or a user view from the incident to get a better understanding of how the incident unfolded and to pinpoint anomalous behavior. The evidence associated with the incident is automatically attached to the case, such as users, IPs, or files. Analysts can add additional evidence as part of an investigation. Analysts are also able to add investigation notes to the incident and to view documentation for all the activities taken by other analysts for the case. This helps ensure efficient handoffs and reduces rework. To get an overall picture of the SOC performance, managers can use Case Manager's KPI Metrics dashboard. This dashboard provides information such as the number of open and closed incidents, mean time to resolve, time saved, and incident type breakdown. Case Manager also works with ticketing systems widely used by teams outside the SOC, such as IT service management tools like ServiceNow. Exabeam is able to fetch ServiceNow tickets into Exabeam Case Manager and provides automatic mapping of ServiceNow fields to Case Manager. This helps collaboration between different teams and allows SOC teams to have a single pane view of all the security incidents without having to pivot between products. Exabeam can in turn update or create tickets in ServiceNow based on actions run within Exabeam. To summarize, Exabeam Case Manager increases SOC team productivity by providing a single, centralized view of all security incidents, enables rapid investigation by attaching machine-built smart timelines as key pieces of evidence to an incident, supports collaboration between teams like IT, Help Desk, and SOC with ease of integration. For more information or a demo, please visit exabeam.com.